Hi! I'm from Next Paradigm. Here's a really bright, quick, and easy tip to reverse keyframes in After Effects. Let's get towards After Effects. In a new composition, I added 2 videos. The video links are added in the description. After this, I added 2 position keyframes. One video is moving over the other, coming from outside. So I'm going to reverse this action. A simple and easy way to do this is to select all the keyframes, right-click on them and Keyframe Assistant, and then time reverse keyframe. Now you can see that these 2 keyframes are reversed. I hope this easy and quick tip will help you. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and watch other helpful quick tips from the playlist.